Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate two-factor authentication on the Pocket AI Trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pocket AI Trading app on your device. And once you are taken into your profile, within the homepage, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now from this page, tap on Profile and then tap on Security. Now within the security page, you will see the Google Authenticator option. Underneath, you can see the Enable toggle for two-factor authentication on login as well as withdrawal. Tap on the Google Authenticator button and then tap on Send Instructions. You will be asked to check your inbox where you will find the two-factor authentication instructions. Tap on the Enable 2FA button and you may need to log into your account once again within your browser. Once you go back to the security page, tap on Google Authenticator once again. If it doesn't work for the first time, wait a few minutes and then try the process once again. You will also need to download the Google Authenticator application from the Google Play Store. Once the authenticator is active, you can enable the two-factor authentication for both your login and withdrawal by simply turning on the toggle. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable two-factor authentication on the Pocket AI Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.